It's the time of DeFi tokens as decentralized market is growing rapidly. And in this video, I will share another huge DeFi token which will take over the market soon. And it's a huge example of DeFi platform with a number of features. It's YFDFI. YFDFI Finance Governance Token gives you the right to vote and the right to receive a portion of YFDFI ecosystem profit. The entire supply of this token is 20,000 and only 3,741 tokens are in circulating supply. And right now the price of one token is $350 and it is listed on Uniswap and Bilex exchange. If you are the holder or planning to buy this token YFDFI, so this video is for you. Stay tuned with us.
Oh my god! Wow!
Feel uninvited. Entire platform of the YFDFI is a true example of exact decentralized platform, and the YFD token is entirely decentralized. YFDFI Finance is governed by YFD token holders who submit and vote on the proposals. And secondly, most of the profits generated from each of YFDFI solutions, DFI exchange, DFI swap, will be redistributed to the community. It means that everything is for the community. And the DeFi governance, the user-friendly platform to set on-chain community votes related to YFDFI finance ecosystem. The forum to talk about YFDFI finance subjects, from the journal chat to technical, everyone can make its contribution. So basically this entire platform, and secondly the main token, that is the native token YFD token, is 100% decentralized. It is governed by the community, not by any central government or central company or some people. So it means that it's a true example of exact DeFi finance. The YFDFI ecosystem is a community-centered project aiming to rebuild all the classes of the financial services provided in traditional finance but through the DeFi protocols, because the main mission and the vision of entire team of the YFD and especially the YFDFI platform is to give 100% DeFi token and also a DeFi platform to all the users. So their main vision is to give the DeFi protocols like farming, governance, insurance, credit exchange and self-banking. All the solutions will be community developed and all the profits generated by the ecosystem will be automatically redistributed to all the contributors. And who are the contributors who bought YFD token right now? At this time, the price of one YFD token is about $350. And as per my own idea about the price projection, because the circulating supply is only 3,700, so it's too low. So definitely the price will reach up to $1,500 or $1,600 in near future. Near future means maximum 1 month or 2 months. So definitely you have to grab this token. Here you can see the entire supply, 20,000 tokens are there. But right now you can also check one thing in the main, especially in the CoinGecko, you can check out one thing, that only 3,700 tokens are over there in the circulating supply. So definitely it will go organically and the price will reach up to $1,500 as per my own idea. But I'm not a financial advisor. You must have to check all the things before buying any new token at this time. But the best part about this token, that it's a 100% decentralized project, because the main motto of this entire project YFDFI Finance is to give the users 100% freedom of their funds, that they can trade at any time, and secondly they can deposit, they can withdraw, all the things will be in your hands. And the best part at the end, basically all the things, for example about the farming, insurance and everything, they are giving and they are distributing all the things in the community. So this is a great thing about this project. You must have to check all the things. YFD is available on the CoinGecko, so you can check out the entire data.